The recent paper which was held today for 21st February, the paper 1 of it, let's talk about some of the memory based questions. Now, the reading comprehension question was based on industrialization. It was relatively simple passage, and comprehension, as I always say, is extremely scoring. From teaching aptitude, two typical questions were there. One was on behaviorism, which pertains to the psychological constructs, which we have already included in our complete material on the distributor, the complete lectures. From research, questions pertain to sampling and ethics, two important topics. Ethics has become recently very important. For those who are appearing for next set, also expect questions from ethics. There are questions from reasoning, assertion reason questions, fallacies, squares of opposition as always, and then there was a question on hetu and praman. The next important question from ICT was on super follow. Now, super follow was one of the concepts that has been started by Twitter. So, which company started it? And the idea was to gain followers through Twitter on a paid basis. Similarly, we have various other setups that have been taken place by other social media platforms. So, those become important in light of this question asked. Again, there was a question asked on the types of memory, the full forms, then the conversion from binary to decimal, what is SSD, solid state drive, and this is an important question. Every time you have questions, NVMe is another important upcoming topic from computing, so prepare NVMe as well. The questions from mathematics pertain to profit loss, averages, the very fundamental kind of questions. Scoring, if you have practiced them ample, then there is no problem in solving them. From environment, there was question on Kyoto Protocol, COP25, Montreal Protocol, match the list, and then Sustainable Development Goals 5 and 6. Again, G20 becomes an important topic for those who are appearing for the next set. So those were some of the important questions that we have seen in this examination, this paper. But overall, yes, as compared to past papers, the level of difficulty is increasing and the kind of questions which are asked are changing on a drastic phase. So prepare well. We do have programs for paper 1 as well as for your optionals, for notes as well as questions, including the question bank includes the previous year question solution. However, mock papers are specially designed papers by our subject experts, so both of them are different. You cannot expect past year papers in mock papers, but yes, this would give you a good idea about practice and speed, more importantly. So practice well, prepare well, and the lecture course on paper 1 covers all the topics that have been mentioned, all new topics. Let's say last time there were questions pertaining to VCs and subtopics under sustainable development goals. We have covered those in a separate video and appended to the course. So we keep on updating the video lectures based on what is asked in the syllabus to keep it afresh for students. Wish you very good luck.